In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a post in Blogger. Whether you're working on a draft or you're updating something that's already been published, I'm here to guide you through the process. Let's dive right in. The first thing you'll want to do is sign into your Blogger account. Head over to blogger.com and use your Google account credentials to get logged in. Once you've successfully signed in, you'll be greeted by your Blogger dashboard. From here, you'll need to select the specific blog you intend to edit. This is an essential step because it ensures you're making the right edits to the right blog. Next, you'll navigate to your posts. On the left sidebar of your dashboard, you'll notice a section labeled Posts. Click on this to bring up a list of all your posts, including both the ones you've published and those still hanging out in draft form. This gives you a comprehensive view of everything you've worked on. Once you've found the post you're eager to edit, you'll need to open the post editor. To do this, click directly on the title of the post you want to alter. Alternatively, you can click the Edit button, which is illustrated by a pencil icon right next to your post title. This action will open up your post in the Blogger editor, allowing you to make adjustments. Now, here's where the fun part comes in. You can begin making all your desired changes. If you need to update the text, just start typing. You can also add new images or videos to enrich your content. Need to tweak the formatting? Go ahead. Blogger offers a variety of formatting tools to help your post look just the way you want. On the right sidebar, you'll also notice some additional settings. This is where you can modify labels and the permalink, or update the search description to make your post more discoverable. Before you finalize your changes, it's usually a good idea to preview them. Simply click the Preview button. This lets you see exactly how your updated post will look to your readers before you commit to publishing those changes. And now, for the last step, saving or publishing your updates. If your post is already published and you're happy with the changes, just click Update. This will apply all the modifications you've made while keeping the post live. However, if you'd prefer to unpublish it first, clicking Revert to Draft will do the trick. If your post is still a draft, you have the option to click Save to retain your work without publishing, or Publish to share your content with the world. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to editing your blog post on Blogger. Whether it's just a minor tweak or a complete overhaul, you now have the know-how to ensure your blog stays current and engaging for your readers. Thank you for watching, and happy blogging.